My name is Rachel Lumpkin, and I chose marble for my research project. Marble is a metamorphic rock. Even though it is usually white, it can come in a variety of colors such as brown and pink. It can also come in other colors such as blue and yellow. Like in the picture attached, this marble is pink. Marble also has a medium grain size because of the crystals that can be seen in the rock. Since marble usually has calcite in it, it also has a variety of other minerals. Those minerals include clay, quartz, pyrite, and graphite. Marble also has a granoblastic or granular texture. In terms of plate tectonics, marble can be seen on convergent boundaries. My goal of the study is to answer the question, how do my peers understand the formation of marble? Methods. The question I created for this project is, tell me 2 things about marble. Even though a lot of people are familiar with marble and its purposes, they might not have a geologic concept. I limited the number of responses to 2 in case the respondents do not have a lot of information about marble. The question of my choosing is in the open-ended question format. I chose this particular format because my respondents will share a variety of answers without being counted wrong. Some can say that marble is metamorphic, and some can say that it is a rock, which are very accurate answers. They will also be free from the pressure of choosing only A, B, C, or D, like what can be seen in a multiple choice format. I asked the question to some of my friends and some family members. Since I asked my parents to participate in the research before I asked anyone else, they also asked their coworkers for their participation. I have accumulated a total of 30 responses, and the ages range from 21 to 98. Results. These are the number of responses that I have collected per age group. 7 of the responses are in the 18 to 25 group, 8 in the 26 to 35 group, 7 in the 36 to 45, 3 in the 46 to 55, 3 in the 55 to 65, 1 in the 66 to 75, and 1 in the 96 to 105. The only groups that I did not collect from are the 76 to 85 and the 86 to 95. I chose a pie chart to summarize my data. As I gathered my responses, I organized them based on similarity. I put the responses into categories for better organization. Some of the responses include that marble is durable, that it comes from limestone, and that it can be used in architecture like statues, and in housing like countertops and bathtubs. The chart is color-coded for identification. I named a total of 7 categories for the chart: limestone, uses or purposes, meaning how marble is used or how it can be used, hardness, various colors, rock or stone, adjectives, and miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means answers that did not fit any of the categories that I listed. Limestone, the first category, is in the red. Only 10% of my respondents said that marble comes from limestone. Uses or purposes is in the orange. 27% of my respondents said that marble can be used for countertops, bathtubs, and statues. I also received a response that said marble can be used for aesthetics, like to make things pretty. Hardness is in the brown. 23% said that marble is hard. Various colors is in the dark green. 13% said that marble comes in more than one color. Rock or stone is in the light green. 20% said that marble is a rock or it is a stone. Adjectives are in the blue. 40% of my respondents said that marble is durable, pretty, heavy, and beautiful. Last but not least is the miscellaneous category, and it is in the dark red. 33% of my respondents gave miscellaneous answers. Miscellaneous answers would include marble being heat resistant, how it is rated on the Mohs hardness scale, their locations, and that it can be cut with a water saw. Discussions. My respondents know more about marble's purposes since a lot of the responses that I received contained answers about ways that marble can be used. My respondents also know that marble comes in more than one color. As I gathered my responses, I have been able to answer my research question. Marble comes from limestone, which is a sedimentary rock. Marble also forms as a result of regional metamorphism because of the amount of heat and pressure that is used to create the rock. The results that I received for this project are interesting because I received some responses that contained answers that I did not know. I did not know that marble could be found in countries like Italy or in states like Georgia. I also did not know that marble is usually heavy and that it is cut with a water saw. What I did not expect was for my respondents to give me answers such as the hardness on the Mohs scale, that it is durable, and that it has a beautiful luster, because I did not expect for my respondents to give me answers in terms of geology. If I had to make any changes to my project, I would not have received immediate results if I chose a different rock or a different geologic subject. For example, if I chose gabbro or gneiss as my project, a lot of my respondents would not know what they are or from where they come. They probably would not know that gabbro is an igneous rock and that gneiss is metamorphic as well. If I had to make any recommendations for my project, I would have wanted to ask a different question. Since I received various answers for the question that I asked for this project, I would have wanted to ask a question such as, where do my peers think that marble comes from, in the hopes of receiving a single answer? I also would have wanted to do some thorough research if I wanted to find some more information about marble. If I wanted to choose a different rock that has some thorough information, I would want to pick a different rock like quartz. In conclusion, marble comes from limestone, marble forms from regional metamorphism, and that it has multiple uses. And that concludes my presentation on marble.